Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a brand new budget category smartphone to show you all. This is Asus's new Zenfone Lite L1. It's been launched just now. In fact, Asus has launched two phones today. One is the Zenfone Lite L1 and the other is Zenfone Max M1. I do have the Max M1 also with me. We'll be posting a video on that also pretty soon. So the Zenfone Lite L1 is a very budget-friendly phone that comes with great specs. I'm not sure about the pricing yet because this product is under embargo while making this video. But I'm guessing they'll price it for around 5,500 to 6,500 rupees. And for that price, they're actually giving you a Snapdragon 430 octa-core CPU. There is no smartphone in the market that's actually offering you this processor for such a low price tag. I'm pretty excited to unbox and check it out. So let's get started with the video. Let's see what's written at the backside. Looks like we've got the specs over here. We've got the black color model. This phone comes with 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage. It's a dual SIM phone and supports 4G VoLTE. Has a 5.5-inch HD Plus full view display. It's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 430 octa-core CPU. Has a 13-megapixel camera at the back and a 5-megapixel camera on the front. So those were some of its specs. And yeah, it's got a big 3000 mAh battery and a traditional triple slot SIM card tray. The specs look really promising guys. Can't wait to unbox and check it out. Let me grab my knife and cut this outer cover. I wanna thank Asus for sending me this product for review. Alright, let's tear the packaging and check out the box. The box looks attractive. It says "We love photo" on all the sides. So I'm guessing the camera on it is special. Let's unbox it. The outer cover slides out like this and this is how the inside looks like. There's a mini box at the top. Let's open it and see what do we have inside. Okay, we've got a SIM ejection tool here and some paperwork. It's a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info on the product. And here is the phone guys, Zenfone Lite L1. Comes nicely packed. We'll just check out the phone in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You get a regular USB cable for charging and data transfer and an Asus branded 5.2 volt 1 amp hour adapter. So those were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the phone. Here it is guys, let me take it out of this cover. So this is how the Zenfone Lite L1 budget smartphone looks like. We've got the black color model and the phone looks pretty decent from my first impressions. It has a nice metallic finish at the back and it also feels quite lightweight and comfortable to hold. On the front it has a 5.45-inch HD Plus IPS full view 18:9 display with a 2D glass on the top and has a screen to body ratio of 82%. At the top you've got a 5-megapixel f2.2 camera, an earpiece, some sensors and even a selfie LED flash. That's it, there's nothing else on the front. To the right we've got a power button and a volume rocker above that. The quality of the buttons is nice, they feel tactile and clicky. At the top you only have a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left side you've got a SIM card slot. It's a traditional triple slot SIM tray that supports dual nano SIMs and a micro SD card. At the bottom you've got a micro USB Type B port, a microphone and a single down firing speaker. And this is how the back of the phone looks like. It's got a smooth metallic finish at the back, but the back is actually made of plastic. You've got the Asus branding, a sticker with some info, and here is its rare 13-megapixel f2.0 camera with a single tone LED flash below that. The build quality of the phone is very good for the price, and the design also looks nice. So that was our overview on the phone. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. By the time it boots up, let's go through the specs. The Zenfone Lite L1 has a 5.45-inch HD Plus IPS 18:9 full view display. It's powered by Snapdragon 430 octa-core CPU clocked at 1.4 GHz, has 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM that is also expandable up to 256 GB, has a 13-megapixel f2.0 pixel master camera at the back and a 5-megapixel f2.2 camera on the front with a selfie LED flash. It comes with 3000 mAh battery, runs on Android 8 Oreo and weighs only 140 grams. The phone has finally booted up and I've also gone through the setup process. Now let me tell you about the comfort. The Zenfone Lite L1 feels quite grippy and comfortable to hold. Even though it doesn't have a fingerprint scanner at the back, it does support face unlock. Let me show you the display. So this is how its display looks like. It has a nice 5.45-inch IPS display with 800:1 contrast ratio and has a brightness of 400 nits. From my first impression, it looks very good for the price. This phone runs on Android 8 Oreo with Zen UI 5.0 on top of that, which is the same UI found on the Zenfone 5Z. The UI feels pretty smooth. Swiping right on the home screen brings Google Now, and this is how the notifications panel looks like. It does have an ambient light sensor for auto brightness and also has a vibration motor. So yes, it gives you haptic feedback when you touch the nav bar. Now the Zen UI on this phone looks nice and comes with some preloaded apps like the whole Google package is there and some basic Asus apps. There's very minimum bloatware on this phone. The UI feels smooth on it, but the animation speeds were a bit slow. Alright, now let me show you the settings app. So this is how the settings app looks on this phone. You've got pretty much the same settings. Let me show you the storage. It's got 16 GB of internal storage, out of which you get around 8 to 8.5 GB of usable space. I've installed some apps on it and still left with 6.92 GB of free space. No need to worry guys, you can also expand the memory using a micro SD card. Now let me show you the about phone section. As you can see, this phone runs on Android 8.0 Oreo. Here's the Easter egg. And the security patch it's running is September 2018. So that was about the software info. Let me also give you a quick look at the camera app. It's got a 13 megapixel f2.0 pixel master camera that can shoot videos in full HD resolution. And this is how the camera app looks like. I'm really looking forward to see how the camera performs on this phone. It supports portrait mode, HDR, beauty mode, and even live photo filters. I'll shoot a lot of sample photos and videos and show them to you in the full review video. This is just an unboxing and first impressions video. I'll be using this phone for a few days before I can make a full review on it. I'll do a lot of testings and share my experience in that full review video. In the review, we'll talk about the display quality, speaker quality, performance, gaming, camera quality, and also the battery life. So stay tuned for that. I'll end the video here guys. So that's it for today. That was my unboxing and overview on the new Zenfone Lite L1. I'll keep you guys updated on the pricing in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.